Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can change power by Shopify, okay, to power by your site name. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm going to just log in into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Now after that, what you guys need to do next is you want to click here. I'm going to show you first this message that says powered by Shopify. As you can see it here. As you can see, it's called powered by Shopify. Now what you guys need to do to change it is you want to go to Shopify and then you want to click on online store. And then after guys you click on online store, you want to then click on, as I'm going to show you, after you click on online store, you want to click on themes. Okay, and then you want to click on these three little dots here, as you can see, next to customize, and you want to click on edit default theme content. Now in the top, you want to search for powered by Shopify. Okay, you want to search for powered by Shopify. I'm going to search for it by Shopify. All right, now it says here powered by Shopify. I'm going to add here something like powered by my store name, powered by for vids. That's the store name of mine. So I just created this one for YouTube videos. So I'm going to change it. Now I'm going to see if it's changed or not. I'm going to click on reload. As you can see here, guys, at the very bottom you can see this powered by your store name instead of Shopify. So that's exactly how you can change it. If this one helped you, drop a like and see you guys in the next one. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. So just go to the comments and let me know exactly what questions you have. I reply to everyone. See you guys next one.